Hello students, welcome to BTech 360. Again, a lot more questions, but before I start off taking your questions, three important reminders for you. Subscribe to BTech 360. If you have any question that you want to ask us personally, go to the WhatsApp and then message us and we'll have a counselor call you up. And three, please use a college predictor. It will give you all the responses that you need. Having said that, let's pick up the questions that you have. The first question that I have is a student who says my percentile is 94.798 percentile, OBC, NCL and Karnataka home states. So we're talking of Karnataka home state, OBC and 94.798%. At this percentile, your rank is likely to be 30,190, which is not too good a rank because it will be difficult for you to get into the best branch of any college for that matter. And you might actually get into not too good college and not too good branch also. That's a fact of life, right? Because 30,119 in OBC category is a very big rank that you're dealing with. Now, so in Karnataka, you will not get anything. Civil engineering, the highest closing, even in NIT Karnataka is for home state, is 16,873. Your rank is 30,119. Mining is 17,790 and your rank is 30,119. Right? Now, you might get a few GFTIs, which is government funded technical institutions, which are central, funded with the government of India. In that also, the branches that you will get is slightly on the, not something that I am comfortable with. You will get Central University of Jharkhand, Ranchi. This is a good, decent one. You will get EEE because here the highest closing rank was 30,067 and your rank is 30,119. So a bit of a luck, you're likely to get there. Same thing with Tezpur University in Tezpur. Here you'll get BTech Electrical Engineering. Here the highest closing rank was 29,960. In Central University of Jammu, you'll get BTech CSE. Here the highest closing rank was 30,153. So you will get Jammu. You will get Ghani Khan Chaudhary Institute of Engineering, where you will get Electrical Engineering or Information Technology, where the highest closing rank was 30,289 and 30,512. Right? You will get Gati Shakti Vishwavidyalaya for Mechanical Engineering, Birla Institute of Technology, Patna, you will get for Electrical Engineering. You will get School of Studies in Engineering and Technology, BTech Electronics and EC you will get, because here the highest closing rank was 31,215. In Central University of Jharkhand, Ranchi, you will get BTech Civil Engineering, you will get Agriculture, Civil, Mechanical, some of those things. And in Gurukula Kangri Vishwavidyalaya in Uttarakhand, Haridwar, you will get BTech Electrical Engineering. Here the highest closing rank was 32,220. So a few CSEs, what I showed you, Jammu you will get CSE and that's what it is. And in Karnataka, Surathkal, you don't have a chance because it's very difficult even in the home state quota that you will get into the whole thing. My suggestion to you is that improve your percentile by about 3 percentile at least, and then you will get into a decent choice of, by the way, OBC is very, very competitive, so you must be very careful about this. The second question is 98.4 percentile. Sir, I got 98.04 percentile. My son, and the home state is Gujarat, and it's from the open category. What are the chances? What are you? Am I likely to get? So we are talking of 98.04 percentile, state of Gujarat, home state, and it's a boy, right? Now, at this, your rank is likely to be about 29,000, 28,912. At that, in SV90 Surat under the home state category also, you'll get mechanical engineering because here the highest closing rank is 34,584. The other programs, electrical, electronics and everything is very difficult because there the highest closing was 23,000, 17,000 for CSE and all, it's totally different. So you're not likely to get anything other than BTech Mechanical at this point in time. But with that rank, you may get into BIT Mesra, BTech ECE, because there the highest closing rank was 28,464. In NIT Jamshedpur, you'll get Mechanical. In IIIT Surat, you'll get BTech CSE, because here the highest closing rank was 28,707. And your rank is 28,900. It's touch and go in that sense. In NIT Agartala, you'll get ECE, possibly. In IIIT Design and Manufacturing in Kanchipuram, you'll get ECE. You'll get IIIT Bhopal, this is a good one. You'll get BTech CSE with Data Sciences. Here the highest closing rank was 28,976 and your rank is 28,912 possibly. So it's touch and go, but you will get it in my opinion. Then you will get IIIT Vadodara, NIT Sikkim you will get it, BTech AI and Machine Learning, where the highest closing was 29,014. IIIT Nagpur you will get BTech CSE. NIT Durgapur you will get Mechanical Engineering. IIIT Surat you will get BTech CSE again. Maulana at MNIT Bhopal you will get BTech Mechanical. IIIT Vadodara you will get BTech AI, which is a good program. NIT Roorkela you will get BTech in Metallurgical and Materials Engineering. IIIT Kota you will get BTech AI and Data Sciences. And then you'll get Biotechnology, Material Science, Chemical, and so on and so forth. In IIIT Nagpur, you'll get BTech CSE with Data Science. Here the highest closing rank was 30,477. So you are somewhere around that, where in some of the GFTS and some of the triple ITs you will get possibly CSE also, but in NIT Surat and all, no chance. You will largely should be looking at triple ITs and GFTS to get somewhere close. The next question is, sir, I got 97.8 percentile. I'm interested in ECE group only. Please, sir, tell me triple ITs or NITs. I am an EWS male from Andhra Pradesh. So we're talking of EWS male, Andhra Pradesh, 97.8 percentile, and ECE group only. Now that's a very good thing, because at this percentile, 97.8 percentile, your EWS category rank is 3,387. At 3,387, you are likely to get into NIT Andhra Pradesh under the home state category, ECE for sure, because here the highest closing rank was 3,860. And you will also get triple E in NIT Andhra Pradesh, because here the highest closing rank was 5,632. Now you may get into NIT Hamirpur ECE, because here the highest closing rank was 3,442, and this one, by the way, in Hamirpur the placement is 92%. So you might get NIT Hamirpur also in ECE. You might get a few other NITs, by the way, and a lot more triple ITs also you will get it at this point in time. But at 3,387, just work on about another half a percentile or half 1 percentile, and it will really help you get it.